In today's video, I'm going to teach you how do Google Keep reminders work. Let's start with the basics. A Google Keep reminder is simply a nudge tied to a specific note designed to surface that note at the right moment. You can base it on time, like a specific date and hour, or on location, such as when you arrive at a particular place. When the condition you set is met, you'll get a notification that brings the note back to your attention so you can act on it. Time-based reminders are the most common. If you pick a specific date and time, Keep will schedule the alert, and at that moment, you'll get notified through Google's reminder system. You can also set them to recur, whether that's daily, weekly, or with a custom pattern that fits your routine. These scheduled reminders appear in Keep's dedicated reminder view, and thanks to Google's integration, they also show up in Google Tasks and Google Calendar. That means the same reminder is visible wherever you're already planning your day. Reminders don't just live inside the note. In Keep, a small reminder badge appears at the bottom of any note that has one. Tapping that badge lets you view or adjust the date and time without hunting through menus. Behind the scenes, many new and existing Keep reminders are now saved as tasks, so you can open Google Tasks to see and manage them there as part of your task lists. If you're a calendar-first person, you'll find those same reminders placed in your schedule on the correct date and time, and you can edit them in Calendar as well. Here's how notifications usually arrive. Keep initiates the reminder, but the alert you see typically comes from Google Tasks or Google Calendar, depending on which apps you have installed and what's enabled on your device. If you're not seeing pop-ups, double-check that Tasks or Calendar has notification permissions and that your account is syncing properly on that device. A few behaviors are good to keep in mind. Your reminders sync across phones, tablets, and computers as long as you're signed in to the same Google account everywhere. In Keep, you can quickly view everything you've scheduled by opening the Reminders section from the menu. And if you remove a note in Keep, that doesn't always remove the corresponding reminder in Tasks, so it's worth confirming in Tasks if you want it fully cleared. That's the gist of how Google Keep reminders work. Create once, see everywhere, and get notified right when you need it.